delicious mango chicken recipe in your air fryer, guys. My name is Mair. You're watching Mair Born Hungry YouTube channel. We have a whole chicken, skinless. You can use the chicken with the skin. I have some delicious ingredients which are going on top of this chicken. Mango chicken. You can make this in your air fryer. I'm giving you air fryer recipes. They are very easy to make. Quick marinade and the food is ready under an hour. First things first, okay? We will make some deep cuts on the chicken. So it helps the marinade and the flavor to go all the way deep into the meat. We all know that. At least 4 or 5 cuts on the breast and 2 to 3 cuts on the legs. That's what we have to do. Deep cut and deep cut. We'll be using some sunflower oil, chili flakes, mango powder, salt, some cumin powder, ginger and garlic paste, some corn flour or cornstarch, and this is the king of the dish, mango pulp. You can use mango pulp, and plus with the mango powder, dry mango powder for this whole chicken. Okay, we will use at least 1 whole tablespoon to 1.5 right on top of this chicken, just like that. Chili flakes, 1 tablespoon. We'll take table salt, regular, 1 whole tablespoon of table salt. Cumin powder, cumin, right? Or cumin powder. I don't know why they spell cumin and our ginger and garlic paste, right? 1 spoon of ginger paste, 1 spoon of garlic paste, just right here, right on top. It's a little bit crunchy, on the crunchy side. Mango pulp, king of the dish, guys. Look at this, look at these ingredients. So it has 19 grams of sugar in here, and this mango is called Alfonso mango. You can use any kind of mango pulp. I'm using Alfonso mango. If you want to follow my way, my recipe, use this. You will be happy about it. So I have cornstarch. Why I'm putting cornstarch on this? It helps all the ingredients to stay on top of the meat. At least 1 to 1.5 tablespoon goes right here. Sunflower oil, yes sir, we do need that. At least 1 to 4 tablespoons. Depends. If you don't want to use that, it's all okay. Chicken meat always has its own oils. The best part, massage everything all the way into deep cuts on top of your chicken. Very easy recipe. We might need to add a little bit more mango pulp, but first just making sure we have a 1 layer right now, right here, right on top of this chicken. Look at this chicken, it's already looking yellowish, a mango color yellowish. Marinated, perfect, huh? You can use chicken with the skin on, but you have to go all the way, deep into the skin and rub the marinade in there. So I'm using skinless. Okay, all right, air fryer, put to air crisp, 390 degrees enough, and we need at least 40 minutes right here. Perfect, right? It's on the preheat. Let it preheat. Our beautiful mango chicken marinade is right here. We all can make this recipe. It's very wonderful. Let me take a sneak peek. Yeah, it's all clean. It should look like this. All right, guys, our air fryer is ready. Here you go. We will grab our chicken, but first some butter spray at the bottom, just like that. It's a requirement. Grab your delicious mango chicken, whole mango chicken, right here, in here. That's how it looks. It looks delicious, right? Whole chicken fitted there. It's all okay. Yeah, it's all fine. Let's cover this, and I'll show you guys this delicious mango chicken after 40 minutes. My friend, it's been 40 minutes of our mango chicken in air fryer, and once it's done, we will just turn it off. So, moment of truth. Come here and look at this. Air fried mango chicken is right here, guys. Yum, yum, yum. Ooh. Sizzling. OMG. Look at this. OMG. Yes, sir. It's all the way done. So here is the mango pulp. Again, it's edible, you know, so it's all fine. Just some drizzle, some more right on top of this. Mango lassi, it goes with that. Here is some green chutney, it goes with this.
Time to party. Read my lips. Time to party. Read my lips. Time to party. Read my lips. Let's party. It's a party. Party. It's a party.
765 should be right there inside of the chicken. It's crispy on the outside, the cuts are crispy, and the chicken is yummy. I can tell you that. Wow, mango lassi, chicken breast, all the way deep, steaming hot, my friend. Whole chicken leg, mango chicken leg in your air fryer, all the way cooked, flavored, juicy. I'll see you guys on the next one. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye bye for now.